Oi, 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 oi. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, with the help of this lady, we actually managed to build a dark room, and also the cabinet is on top.
The table
is here, and the place looks like a proper place. And consequently, I had 2 workshops already. Go. The first attendee at my first workshop was Sabrina Loso. She's a professional photographer living and working on the west coast of Italy, from Camoli. And they have a festival of coastal landscape. And she brought with her like a bottle of sea, like literally a sea. And she brought also a Japanese washi paper. And since on the poster there are poppies, we decided to photograph poppies, and she made a salt print out of seawater and the poppies in the garden. And the second workshop was with Roman Meyer from Switzerland. He was interested in album printing, so we've made this beautiful album print. We learned how to redevelop, intensify collodion negatives and make beautiful album prints from egg whites. On the end of the workshop, we did also silver maintenance and how to distinguish milk from silver nitrate. Needless to say, I couldn't make it on my own. I thank you so much. I'm so blessed to have a fiance. That's such a work machine.
Yeah, together we made it.
So more is coming. We are going to Canada.
Vancouver first, then Montreal and Toronto.
Yeah, so if you are in Vancouver, Montreal or Toronto, leave a comment, send us a message. What else? Oh yeah, we also have a podcast about lifestyle and so on. It's not so much about photography, but it's about creativity.
It's called Lift Me Up.
Lift Me Up. Check it out on Spotify or on YouTube or links below. And thank you for watching.
Stay tuned for more. I still have a lot of power.
Yeah, stay tuned to the Life with Valerie. New podcast, new vlog.